Saudi-led coalition has stepped up airstrikes on Yemeni Houthi rebels after the Iran-allied armed movement tightened its grip on the capital Sana'a. Meanwhile, the son of slain former Yemeni President Ali Abdullah has vowed revenge for his father's death. Just days before his killing on Monday, Saleh, remember, had plunged the country deeper into turmoil by switching allegiance in favor of Saudi-led coalition. The move enraged his former allies, Houthi rebels, who killed him for allegedly ditching them. According to pro-Houthi Al Masira television, Saudi Arabia and its allies bombed Saleh's residence and also other houses of his family members, which are now controlled by the Houthis. Airstrikes also hit northern provinces including Taiz, Hajar, Midi and Sada.